Uh-oh, this ain't good.
Let's fix that.
The $100,000 backup mistake SMBs keep making. 60% of SMBs close after a breach.
Every 11 seconds, a business falls victim to a ransomware attack. 60% of SMBs shut down within 6 months of a data breach. Most attacks target businesses with less than 50 employees. Most victims thought they were backed up. Whether you're a tax firm, insurance, lawyer, bookkeeper, or retail shop, one wrong click can wipe out everything. USB stick, external hard drives or cloud folders are not backup. They are a gamble.
The $100,000 mistake. This is a real incident. Ransomware locks all company files, no offsite backup, recovery services $15,000, legal fees $25,000 plus downtime $40,000. Lost clients and reputation priceless.
This isn't a what if, it's a when. Backblaze to the rescue.
Unlimited storage per endpoint. Works on Windows and Mac OS. Ransomware protection and recovery built in. Encrypted plus 2FA. Plus antivirus monitoring your files. Version history up to 1 year. Central admin dashboard. One-click recovery from anywhere. That's peace of mind you can count on.
Backblaze, designed for SMBs. One solution, all business types. Real protection. Tax prep offices. Insurance agencies. Retail. Construction. Restaurants. Law firms. Coffee shops. Bookkeepers. Cost versus catastrophe. Scale. Data comparison. Backblaze license cost $10 per PC monthly, and you can recover all data in hours. No backup or bad backup, the cost is $0. However, the cost for a data breach is $100,000 or more, and you lost all your data. Our business security package include remote support 24/7, plus WatchGuard EDR, plus secure DNS, plus Backblaze backup for just $59. Don't gamble with your data.